Mapapagalitan tayo.
Ayan.
Hindi mo ba yan?
Yun na yung hot air balloon doon. Yan, maaga kami.
Prank lang to, prank.
Oo.
It's not cold.
Super lamig. Nasa gitna kami ng disyerto.
It's only AI.
Yes.
AI.
Walang AI dito. Organic lahat to. Tingnan mo, pindutin ko si ate. Diba? Hindi yan AI. Nasa gitna kami ng disyerto.
Over rum. My name is Olli. I'm your pilot today. And we have 16 lovely passengers here today. And the weather looks quite good. So that we will continue our preparations. What we are going to do now, first we will go to the basket. There will be very important safety briefing. And after that, we will inflate the balloon and we will have a very good flight. Near the balloon, I want to remind you there's no smoking near the balloon or in the balloon. And that includes also e-cigarettes. So there's no smoking. We have some gas there. Only flame, what we want is the burner flame, what we are burning. Okay. So please follow me to the basket.
Maghihip na daw tayo
Ay,
kanya-kanya.
oo. Sabi sa iyo, totoo yung aking
na daw kami sa basket.
Totoo yung aking sinabi. Tayo talaga ang hihihip.
Bali, 16 po kami. 16 kami mag-blow ng balloon. Kaya, tingnan.
Oo, mabilis na to. Mabilis
Mabait
na.
naman.
Kaso yung hihip, hindi nakatutbrush yung mga kasama natin.
They
Ay,
want
nako.
woke up like this.
Oo, we woke up like this. Uso yun
Kaya
eh.
po, magsisimula na po kami mag-hep-hep ng balloon.
Oo. Ang larong ito ay tatawagin nating hep hep hooray. Tanji, okay, you can do that.
Yung pagka-floated ko, lipat ko doon.
Ay, siksikan nga tayo sa balloon.
Kasi yan.
Pila-pila daw tayo.
Kanya-kanya tayong ano.
Ayan, kanya-kanyang ihip po. Ayan siya.
Tolo iyon.
Come a bit closer here.
Okay, sige.
Ayan na po.
Kami nilalanag talaga.
Parang
Pagkaka-close.
gusto ko na pumunta sa basket.
Okay, very good, very good. So, this is very important safety briefing, so I want your full undivided attention. Please put away your cameras and phones and